2 Sphero robots, 1 arena, which is this box. Only one comes out spinning, and this robot is going to be the winner. This is Robot Battle, a Sphero coding challenge I built for my classroom, and today I'm showing you in a very brief way exactly how this whole thing works. You only need 2 robots. They can be boats, they can be minis, they can be any robot you have. You have to do a tiny bit of coding, and then the challenge starts. The coding part, as you can see, is very easy. Here's the whole program. So it's shorter than you'd think for such an interesting challenge. First, we set the main LED, which is the main light of a robot. This is the matrix of the boat, and the Sphero minis have a light inside as well. They don't have a light LED matrix, but they can still light up in different colors. So you set that color. This is the main color of your robot, and this is the color that you are going to use to distinguish your robot from your opponent's robot. Then there's the loop that's doing the actual work here, and it is a loop that's going to iterate a certain amount of times, and that is going to be a random number between 10 and 20. So 10 or 20 or something in between iterations of the code that's inside. And in our case, the code inside is just this block, the raw motor block. This block gives just raw power to the 2 motors here and here of the robot, and it's going to move and spin uncontrollably for a certain amount of times. And this is for how long each iteration is going to be. That's 0.3 seconds. Let's have a battle and test the programs. I'll be using 2 minis. And the secret of the whole thing is to start their programs in the exact same time. So you go 1, 2, 3. Wow, total chaos. Did you see this one is the first one that stopped, and this continued moving. So this is the winning robot. Yay! The blue gladiator won the battle. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this one stopped moving first. So this one is the winner. 3, 2, 1. Everything you might need in order to do this activity with your students is here in this resource. The slides that teach the blocks, like this is the light block, random numbers block, loops, and worksheet, which is right here. This is the black and white version of it. There's a colorful one. Even a Coliseum themed intro to hook your students before they code a single block. Plus 3 bonus extensions right here, where you can challenge the students even further. There's of course teacher notes, announcer key, everything you might need. The link for this resource is going to be in the description of this video. If you want your students coding instead of just watching robots move in a straight line, doing something boring, then this is the lesson for you. See you in the next one.